This is going to be a video to help you find the slope and y-intercept from an equation. Now that's pretty easy to do if your equation is in y equals mx plus b or slope-intercept form. Because then all I have to do is replace my m, which is the slope, and my b, which is the y-intercept. Here's an example. Y equals negative 2/5 x minus 7. Well, m is going to be negative 2/5 and b is going to be negative 7. It's also not too difficult if the equation looks like this, where I switch this up and make it into y equals b plus mx form. Now in this case, my coefficient of x, or the number in front of x, is still going to be my m, or my slope. So in this problem, my slope is going to be negative 5, because this negative sign there goes with the 5, and my y-intercept is going to be negative 12. But what happens if the equation is in standard form, or ax plus by is equal to c? Here's an example of a problem like that. Negative 8x plus 6y is equal to negative 12. Well, in this type of problem, what I have to do is I have to solve for y, or get y on one side of the equation. It's going to be like a two-step equation. The first thing I have to do is I have to make a zero pair so I get y by itself. So zero pair with negative 8x, I'm going to add positive 8x. After I do that, my negative 8x and positive 8x make a zero pair, so I'm just left with a 6y on the left side of the equation. On the right side of the equation, my negative 12 and my 8x are from different families. The 8x is for the x family, and the negative 12 is the number family. So that's going to look like 8x minus 12. Now the last step to solve for y is I have to divide everything divided by 6. 6y divided by 6 is just going to be y. 8x divided by 6 is going to be 8x divided by 6. And negative 12 divided by 6 is going to be negative 12 divided by 6. Again, I have a minus sign in between. Now I can simplify the 8x divided by 6 to 4/3 and the negative 12 divided by 6 to negative 2. So this equation turns out to be y is equal to 4/3 x minus 2. So in this case, my y-intercept is going to be negative 2 and my slope is going to be 4/3.